Question number 23 is saying, discuss the principle and method of softening of hard water by synthetic ion exchange reagents. So students, synthetic ion exchange reagents are of two types, right? One is a cation exchange reagent, right? And another is an ion exchange reagent. So let us first discuss about the cation exchange reagent. These are either carboxylic acids or sulfonic acids which are having formula. Carboxylic acids are having formula RCOH and sulfonic acids are having formula RSO3H, right? Where R is your giant hydrocarbon framework. These reagents exchange hydrogen ion, H plus ions, right? With calcium 2 positive and magnesium 2 positive ions which are present in the hard water. So how it works? So students, when we pass the salt, like तो सॉल्ट में जो बच्चे हमारे पास कैल्शियम और मैग्नीशियम आयंस होंगे, जो हार्ड वाटर में हमारे पास कैल्शियम और मैग्नीशियम आयंस होंगे, ठीक है, दे विल बी एक्सचेंज्ड विद दिस H plus ion of carboxylic acid and sulfonic acids of the cation exchange reagent, right? So you can see exhausted reagent is formed. Now the hard water is free from the ions like calcium 2 positive and magnesium 2 positive as they are exchanged with the H plus ions. Now let us talk about the anion exchange reagent. Anion exchange reagents are substituted ammonium hydroxide having formula RNH3 positive and OH negative, right? So where R is denotes the giant hydrocarbon framework. These reagents exchange their OH negative ions with chlorine and Cl negative and sulfate ions which are present in the hard water. So you can see the reaction. Anion exchange reagents, okay, with the hard water which contains a chlorine ion, Cl negative and sulfate ion. When it is passed through the anion exchange reagent, तो बच्चे इसके जो हमारे पास OH नेगेटिव आयंस होंगे वो क्या हो जाएंगे, रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे. यू कैन सी एग्जॉस्टेड resin is formed, right? So now the hard water is free from the chloride ions and sulfate ions. So simultaneously H plus ion produced from the cation exchange reagents and OH negative ions which are produced from the anion exchange reagents, right? So you can see from the reactions in cation exchange reagents H plus ions are forming and in anion exchange reagents OH negative ions are forming, right? So they combine to form the water. Now this water is your pure water. So you can see the process here. Hard water is first, it is passed through the cation exchange reagent, right? So you can see this is hard water inlet. It is passed through the cation exchange bed, right? Then you will see that uh, the cations are exchanged here, right? The hard water which contains calcium and magnesium ions, they are exchanged in the cation exchange bed. Then it is passed through the anion exchange bed, right? Now this water still contains the anions, right? Like Cl negative, SO4 2 negative, and they are free from calcium and magnesium ions. They contain only cations, they contain only H plus ion. So now when this water is passed through the anion exchange bed, now these ions are also replaced with the OH negative ions, these two, right? Then we will get the water. Now water is coming from the, this is the outlet of the soft water. Now this water is free from the sulfate ions, chloride ions, right, and calcium ions, magnesium ions, right, all which are which are responsible for the hardness of water. So this is how it works. So hard water is first, it is passed through the cation exchange reagent and then it is passed through the anion exchange reagent. The resulting water is free from both cations and anions and hence it is called demineralized water. and or you can say deionized water, and it is a good as distilled water. So students, in order to know the solutions of more question, you can download Y School, the learning app. Thank you.